Has Wi-Fi had its day? This week, 16 global IT and mobile companies launched an initiative to pre-install mobile broadband into a range of notebook PCs. These devices will connect to the net via 3G and HSPA and later by LTE, as opposed to the alternative of using just Wi-Fi. But could it also be seen as a defensive measure by the mobile industry against the increasing use of WiMAX in laptops?
I think it is very difficult to say that this is simply a defensive move. After all, the GSMA represents more than 700 mobile operators around the world. It is a powerful organization. It is an organization that has leveraged its relationships to build this ecosystem with PC manufacturers and others. Is it a defensive move against WiMAX and any other comers? It is a way to kill the technologies that exist elsewhere.
According to Pyramid Research, mobile operators stand to gain from a $50 billion market opportunity. For the near future, though, most mobile computing will be conducted with portable dongles, the operator-branded USB sticks that allow plug-and-play connectivity.
The dongle is a very cheap option, or a cheaper option, but it has one key failing, and that is it does not lock in consumers. And specifically, the solution that we see from the GSMA and all of its partners is one that is an ecosystem and a whole value chain that is integrated. That's a very powerful proposition.
However, the emergence of software-defined radio, and perhaps more importantly, the news this month that Google has filed a patent for open roaming, may ultimately make this initiative redundant.
A technology may be obsolete, but it may be fit for purpose. It may be good enough for now. It may be good enough for another 18 to 24 months. After all, Wi-Fi is not a perfect technology either. WiMAX is not a perfect technology. The truth is that the collective use of these diverse technologies is what serves economies and consumers and businesses best.
Interestingly, research by the GSMA shows that 57% of the demand for embedded laptops comes from Asia, with just 15% from North America and 11% from Europe. But this is not a new idea. Vodafone has already been there and done that.
2 years ago, Vodafone built a relationship with Lenovo whereby its technology was embedded in a number of the ThinkPads. So this concept has been brewing for the past 2 years. And of course, Vodafone itself is one of the most powerful proponents within the GSMA. So this is a replication of an idea that has been field tested in other markets.